In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the self-diagnostic error on the Brother DCP-8110 printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The self-diagnostic message usually appears when the printer detects a problem in the fuser unit. This can be caused by several components inside the fuser, including temperature sensors, heating elements, or other related parts. First, turn off the printer completely and disconnect the power cable from the printer before starting the repair process. Next, remove the paper tray from the printer and set it aside in a safe place. Now remove the fuser unit completely. First, unscrew all the screws holding it in place so you can easily take it out of the printer. Now disconnect all the cables and connectors from the fuser unit carefully. The fuser unit has been removed completely. Now we replace it with a new compatible fuser unit for this printer model to fix the issue as quickly as possible. You can also purchase this part from online websites such as Alibaba or Amazon. I have added the link in the description so you can check it easily.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Now install the new fuser unit in its position and tighten it securely. Also make sure to properly reconnect all the connectors and cables firmly. Carefully reassemble all the removed parts and install them back in their original positions to avoid any issues.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Now that everything has been reassembled, connect the printer to power and turn it on. Wait until the printer fully starts up and becomes ready. As you can see, the problem has been successfully fixed, and the error is no longer appearing. To make sure everything is working properly, we will now perform a test copy to check if the printer is functioning correctly.